Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Conversation Zone.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy.
My name is Jake.
And my name is Rose.
In this channel, we help you learn English.
Easy English.
Simple English.
Clear English.
English you can use every day.
At home.
At work.
And in your life.
So relax.
Listen carefully.
And enjoy learning English with us.
Before we begin, we have a small request.
Please subscribe to our channel.
When you subscribe, you do not miss new lessons.
Please like this video.
Liking helps our channel grow.
And please share this video.
Share it with friends.
Share it with coworkers.
Share it with anyone learning English.
Thank you for your support.
We really appreciate it.
Today's topic is talking English in the office.
Talking English in the office is very important.
Many people work in offices,
In small offices.
in big offices.
In companies.
In offices, people talk every day.
They talk to coworkers.
They talk to managers.
They talk to clients.
Sometimes they feel nervous.
Yes, many learners feel shy.
They think their English is not good.
But simple English is okay.
You do not need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Today, we will help you.
We will show you easy office English.
You can use it tomorrow.
At work.
Rose, do you work in an office?
Yes, Jake, I work in an office.
What do you do in your office?
I work with my team.
Do you talk a lot in the office?
Yes, I do.
Who do you talk to?
I talk to my coworkers.
Do you talk to your manager?
Yes, every day.
What language do you speak at work?
Mostly English.
Is it easy?
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes no?
Yes, sometimes it is hard.
That is normal.
Very normal.
Let's start with greetings.
Greetings are very important.
When you come to the office, you can say, "Good morning."
Repeat. Good morning.
Good morning. In the afternoon, you say, "Good afternoon."
Good afternoon.
In the evening, you say, "Good evening."
Good evening.
These are polite greetings.
Always use polite greetings at work.
After greeting, you can ask a question.
A simple question.
How are you?
Repeat. How are you?
The answer can be very easy.
I am fine, thank you.
I am good.
Thank you.
Let's practice. Good morning, Rose.
Good morning, Jake.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very good. Let's learn some office words.
First word, office.
An office is a place where people work.
Example sentence. I work in an office.
Repeat. Office. Office. Next word, coworker.
Next word, coworker.
A coworker is a person you work with.
Example. My coworker is very helpful.
Repeat. Coworker. Coworker. Next word, manager.
Next word, manager.
A manager is your boss.
Example sentence. My manager is kind.
Repeat. Manager. Manager. Next word, meeting.
Next word, meeting.
A meeting is when people talk together about work.
Example. We have a meeting today.
Repeat. Meeting. Meeting. Next word, email.
Next word, email.
An email is a message on the computer.
Example. I send an email.
Repeat. Email. Email. Sometimes you need help at work.
That is okay.
You can say, "Please help me."
Repeat. Please help me.
You can also say, "Can you help me, please?"
Very polite.
Role play. Rose, can you help me, please?
Yes, Jake, I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple sentences. You can talk about your work.
Use simple sentences.
I am working on a report.
Repeat. I am working on a report.
I am busy today.
I am busy today.
Time is important in the office.
Yes, very important.
You can say, the meeting is at 10.
Repeat. The meeting is at 10.
Or, I will finish at 5.
I will finish at 5.
Now it's time to practice.
Listen and repeat.
Good morning. Pause.
Good afternoon.
Pause. Good evening. Pause.
Practice 2. Office sentences. I work in an office.
Pause. My coworker is nice. Pause.
I have a meeting today.
Pause. Please send the email. Pause.
Practice 3. Mini role play.
Let's do a short role play.
You can repeat after us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10.
Let's review today's lesson.
We learned how to talk English in the office.
We learned greetings.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
We learned office words.
Office. Coworker. Manager. Meeting. Email.
We learned polite phrases.
Please. Thank you.
Can you help me, please?
Very good.
Now it's homework time.
Don't worry. It is easy.
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English.
Write about your office.
For example, I work in an office.
Or, I have a meeting today.
Write your sentence in the comments.
We will read them. You did a great job today.
Yes, you are learning step by step.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Practice every day.
Speak a little every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day at work.
And keep speaking English.